Hi, my name is Kate, and I work with AI models. So how many of you think that AI models like, I don't know, ChatGPT or Gemini, how well can they understand language? Do you think they understand language? Like if I say, explain what is a black cow, does it understand what I mean? Yes, no? If I say write an essay for, I don't know, a college class, can it do that? Okay. Well, surprisingly, if I show it a video and I say find all the black cows and outline them, we call this segmentation. They're very bad at this task. Turns out that models like OpenAI's models, GPT, or Gemini, the Google model, they're really bad at connecting language, even describing simple objects like a brown cow or a black cow. They're really bad at connecting that language to pixels in terms of outlining that object, finding that object, and tracking it in the video. And we've heard about some research on kids earlier, and we know that kids are really good at this task, even by the time, they can barely even talk. So in my research, and this has been also at Meta, where I've been spending time recently, we've built an AI model that can do this, and we call it Segment Anything Model, or SAM. And this is actually SAM 3, the third version of it, and what it can do is it can take an input phrase, like, the player in white here, and it finds all the corresponding objects and it tracks them throughout the video. As you can see, we compared it to other models. These are probably not recognizable to you, but it does beat Gemini, for example. Gemini is a pretty famous model. And you can see also we compared it to humans on the same task. And our models reached 86% of human performance, which is really good, actually. Now, why is this interesting? It doesn't help you write a college essay. But it turns out that there are a lot of applications of AI models where the ability to find objects and track them in images and video is very important. For example, in wildlife monitoring, we collaborated with Conservation X Labs that have lots and lots of video from cameras in the wild where camera traps where animals pass by and researchers want to study those animals. And what I'm showing here is our SAM3 model detecting, I don't know what animal it is, some kind of iguana maybe, and tracking it through this video. And so this could be useful for these wildlife conservation projects and research. Or in geospatial applications where you want AI to sort of find different parts of a map, maybe roads, maybe like there's a disaster, you wanted to find where a road has been obstructed or where there are people and cars. And in medical applications as well, there's a lot of applications that need segmentation, meaning like precisely outlining things in the image. So that's one project I wanted to highlight that I've worked on, and my students also work on other related projects, also in AI and vision and language, teaching AI, vision and language. But you can actually try this SAM3 model. There's a link. You can go to segment-anything.com and try it out for yourself if you're curious. Yeah, I hope you try it, and I hope you like it, and I hope it's useful maybe for some future research project. Thank you.
Oh, that's a lot of people. Okay.